now you're going to see how CSS fonts work. Okay, and then right now I just have a section with a class and a paragraph inside of it, and then some dummy text, and right on my browser I have this and nothing much. Okay, I'll just go ahead and first of all, let me say I want to increase the font size of this my paragraph. I'll just go to my CSS, which is external CSS here. I can just go ahead and target my paragraph. Since it's only one paragraph that I want to target, I can just go ahead and use one, and without giving it any class or ID. Okay, and I'll just say font size maybe large, medium, small. If I go with larger, and then I can check it out and see how it is right now. Okay, you might want to go with normal pixels by saying probably 40 pixels as your font size, and your font is increased. Okay, you might want to say probably just 20 pixels is enough, and then you can just go ahead and check it out and see what I have here. Okay, you can also do something like font weight. Okay, that's actually the weight of a font. You can select between 100 to whatever number here to 900, and then either bold or bolder. Okay, so let's first of all select let's say you want to go with 400 at first. Let's see how our font to be bolded. Okay, as you can see, it's a bit bolded, though you cannot really differentiate it, but let's go with 800 this time around. Let's see how it goes this time around. As you can see here, it's now obvious that our font got a bit bolded. Okay, you might also want to say bold or bolder, anyone at all you want to use in your website. You can just go ahead and check it out. Let me try for bolder, and I will save it down, then go here, and this is what I have. Okay, that's for that. There's another thing as font. Let me try to remove this, or probably make it just 400. Okay, and let's try to look at font family. Okay, let's try to explore font family. So font family is actually the way you change your font. Okay, just normal way of changing fonts. Your font family, just go ahead and select any one of them that you want to. Let me say I want this the cedar styles. Okay, I can just click on it and then save my file, and I have my fonts. Okay, first style being changed. All right, and let me say I don't want this anymore. I want another one. I can just go ahead and delete it. Okay, and then if I want the options to come out here, I can go ahead and hold Control and then spacebar. Okay, Control spacebar will make these options to come out. All right, so whether you are on Mac or you are on Windows, so wherever you're trying to type in something and you lost the options. Okay, just as this now, I don't have the options right now. All you have to do is hold Control and then spacebar. Okay, it will just load and then come out for you. You can then go ahead and select any other one you want to select. Let me say this, and then check it out. This is what I have. Let me try to also select another one, and probably Franklin Gothic. All right, and then something like this, and depending on the type of fonts you want on your website, you can go ahead and do that. All right, and next I'm gonna do is actually how to change from this normal style to italic style, and I can go ahead and say italic, and as you can see, my font has italic right now. So thank you for standing by. I will see you right in the next episode.